In this video, we will understand output devices. An output device is any piece of computer hardware equipment used to communicate the results of data processing carried out by an information processing to the outside world. The output may be viewed on a computer monitor, heard through speakers, printed on printers, etc. The output produced by the output devices can be of the following forms: monitor, printers, plotter, projectors, speaker, headphones, headsets, etc. Let's understand these devices in detail. Monitor. Monitor is also known by visual display unit. A monitor is a crucial output device that displays visual information generated by a computer or other devices. It serves as the primary interface through which users interact with their computer systems, allowing them to view text, images, videos, and graphical user interfaces. A monitor is an electronic device that receives video signals from a computer and displays them on a screen. It converts the digital data from the computer into visual information that users can interpret. A monitor is of two kinds: monochrome display monitor and color display monitor. A monochrome display monitor uses only one color to display text, and color display monitor can display 256 colors at a time. An image on the monitor is created by a configuration of dots, also known as pixels. The clarity of image depends on three factors: resolution of screen. Resolution refers to the number of pixels in horizontal and vertical direction. The resolution of monitor is higher when the pixels are closer together. Dot pitch. It refers to the diagonal distance between two colored pixels. Smaller the dot pitch, the better the resolution. Refresh rate. It refers to how many times per second the display is able to draw a new image. The higher the refresh rate, the more solid the image looks on the screen. Types of monitors: cathode array tube, that is CRT monitors; liquid crystal display, that is LCD monitors; liquid or light emitted diode, that is LED monitors; 3D monitors; organic light emitting diode, that is OLED monitors. Let's understand these types in details. Cathode array tube, that is CRT monitors, a type of display device that uses a cathode ray tube to project images onto a screen. The monitor consists of a large vacuum tube with an electron gun at the back, which emits electrons toward phosphorescent screen. When these electrons hit the phosphor-coated screen, they cause the phosphor to emit light, creating the images that are displayed. This monitor operates by scanning the screen in a series of lines from top to bottom in a process known as raster scanning. The electron beam is directed to specific points on the screen and excites phosphor compounds to produce colors. CRT monitors were widely used in the past but have since been largely replaced by more modern technologies such as LCD, LED, and OLED monitors. However, CRT monitors are still valued in certain fields for their deep color contrast and superior refresh rates. Liquid crystal display, that is LCD monitors, are a type of flat panel display that utilizes liquid crystals to produce images on the screen. Unlike CRT monitors, LCD monitors do not use electron guns or phosphor-coated screens. Instead, they rely on liquid crystals that align to block or allow light to pass through. These crystals are sandwiched between two layers of polarized panels with a light source, often a backlight, behind the screen to illuminate the display. The liquid crystals in the LCD screen can change their orientation in response to an electric current, altering the light passing through them to form individual pixels. The combination of colored filters and varying light levels creates the full spectrum of colors and the sharp images displayed on the screen. LED, light emitting diode monitors, are a type of flat panel display that uses LED backlighting to illuminate the screen. So the LED technology is used as a light source behind an LCD liquid crystal display panel, providing the necessary illumination for the pixels. This is distinct from older models that used CCFL, cold cathode fluorescent lamp backlighting. LEDs usually produces red light, but today's LEDs can produce RGB, red, green, and blue light and white light as well. 3D monitor is a television that depth conveys perception to the viewer. 3D describes an image that provides the perception of length. When 3D images are made interactive, then users feel involved with the scene. And this experience is called virtual reality. OLED stands for Organic Light Emitting Diode. It's a display technology that uses organic compounds to create light when an electric current is applied. OLED displays are made up of several layers, including layer of organic material that emits light when electricity passes through it. This is different from traditional LCD displays, which require a backlight. In an OLED display, each pixel generates its own light, allowing for deep blacks since pixels can be completely turned off, and more vibrant colors. OLEDs are widely used in smartphones, televisions, and other digital displays due to their high quality visuals and energy efficiency. Key benefits of OLED include better contrast, true black levels due to self-emitting pixels, faster response time, ideal for high-speed video, lighter and thinner design. OLED screens can be made flexible and thinner compared to other display technologies. Next output device is printers. A printer prints information and data from the computer onto a paper. It can print documents in color as well as in black and white. The quality of a printer is determined by the clarity of a print. Printers are divided into two basic categories: impact and non-impact printers. Speed of a printer is measured in characters per second, lines per minute, and pages per minute. The faster the printing, more expensive is the printer. Printer resolution is a numerical measure of print quality that is measured in dot per inch, DPI. Impact printers. This type of printer strikes paper and ribbon together to form a character, like a typewriter. Impact printer can print a character or an entire line at a time. They use pins or hammers that pressed an inked ribbon against the paper. They are less expensive, fast, and can make multiple copies with multi-part paper. Three types of impact printer are there. Dot matrix. It forms characters using rows of pins which impact the ribbon on top of the paper, therefore also called pin printers. These printers print one character at a time. It prints characters and images as a pattern of dots. These printers are slow, noisy, and are not commonly used for personal computers anymore. Many dot matrix printers are bidirectional. That is, they can print the characters from either direction, that is, left or right. Daisy wheel. In daisy wheel printers, characters are fully formed on the petals like typewriter keys. Daisy wheel printers produce high resolution output and are more reliable than dot matrix. Line printer. It is a high speed printer capable of printing an entire line of text at once instead of one or more characters at a time. These are impact shaped character printers which print one line at a time. Print quality of line printer is not high. Drum printer, an old line printer technology that uses formed character images around a cylindrical drum as its printing mechanism. When the desired character for the selected position rotated around the hammer line, the hammer hit the paper from behind and pushed it into the ribbon and onto the character. Non-impact printers. A non-impact printer uses electrostatic chemicals and inkjet technologies. They do not hit or impact a ribbon to print. It can produce high-quality graphics and often a wide variety of fonts than impact printers. And there are following types of non-impact printers. Inkjet printer. An inkjet printer is a printer that places extremely small droplets of ink onto paper to create an image. It sprays ink onto paper to form characters. It prints high-quality text and graphics. Thermal printer. It uses heat on chemically treated paper to form characters. Fax machines that use rolls of paper are also of thermal printers type. It is relatively slow, expensive, and requires special paper. Laser printer. A laser printer provides the highest quality text and images for personal computer. They can print in different fonts, that is, type styles and sizes. Laser printer uses a laser beam onto photosensitive surface for printing. The laser printer can print 5 to 24 pages of text per minute, and the resolution ranges from 400 to 1200 dpi. It prints high-quality graphics. It is more expensive than impact printers. Electromagnetic printer. Electrographic or electrophotographic printers are very fast printers, and they fall under the category of page printers. They can produce documents at a speed of over 20,000 lines per minute, that is more than 250 pages per minute. Electrostatic printer. Electrostatic printers are generally used for large format printing. They are favored by large printing shops because of their ability to print fast, making low cost. Next output device, plotter. A plotter is an output device that uses a pen, pencil, marker, or other writing tool for making vector graphics. A plotter is a special kind of output channel, like a printer that produces images on paper. They are mainly used to produce large drawings or images such as construction plans, blueprints for mechanical objects, AutoCAD, CAD/CAM, etc. Plotters usually come in two designs. Flatbed plotter. These plotters are of small size to be kept on table with restriction of paper size. Drum plotter. These plotters are of big size using rolls of paper of unlimited length. Next, output device is projectors. It is an output device which is used to project information from a computer onto a large screen so it can be viewed by a large group of people simultaneously. Projectors are widely used for classroom training of conference halls with a large audience. It provides a temporary output display. There are mainly two types of projectors. LCD projector. It contains three separate LCD glass panels, one each for red, green, and blue components of the image signal being fed into the projector. DLP projector. It stands for Digital Light Processing. It uses a chip that has thousands of tiny mirrors, each representing a single pixel. It is widely used to handle video images. Next output device is speaker. It is an output device that receives sound in the form of electric current. It needs a sound card connected to a CPU that generates sound via card. These are used for listening music, for being audible in seminars during presentations, etc. Computer speakers are the speakers which are attached internally or externally to a computer system. Next output device is headphones. Headphones are a pair of small loudspeakers, or less commonly a single speaker, held close to a user's ears and connected to a signal source such as an audio amplifier, radio, CD player, or portable media player. They are also known as stereo headphones, headsets, or cans. Next output device is headsets. A headset is a computer output device that combines both headphones for listening to sound and a microphone for recording or communicating. It is designed for personal audio output and input, allowing users to hear sounds such as music, video, or voice chat, while also enabling them to speak into the microphone for activities like voice calls, gaming, or voice recognition. Let's practice some questions of output devices. Question 1. Which type of monitor uses liquid crystals to display images? Options are CRT, OLED, LCD, 3D, plasma. Correct answer option is C, LCD. Because LCD monitors use liquid crystals that align when an electric current is passed through them, controlling the light to produce images. CRT uses a cathode ray tube, OLED uses organic materials, and plasma uses ionized gases. Question 2. What does a printer do? Options are stores data, displays visual information, prints information onto paper, sends information over the network, scans images. Correct answer option is C, prints information onto paper. Because a printer converts digital information into a printed format, usually on paper. Other options are focus on storage, display, or scanning. Question 3. Which of the following is a non-impact printer? Options are dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printer, inkjet printer, line printer, drum printer. Correct answer option is C, inkjet printer. Because inkjet printers use liquid ink sprayed onto paper without physical impact, making them non-impact printers. Matrix, daisy wheel, and line printers are impact printers. Question 4. Which type of display monitor uses an electron gun to scan the screen? Options are LED, CRT, OLED, LCD, 3D. Correct answer option is B, CRT. Because CRT monitors use an electron gun to scan and illuminate phosphor dots on the screen. LED, OLED, LCD, and 3D monitors used for different technologies. Question 5. What is the primary difference between a CRT monitor and an LCD monitor? Options are CRT monitors use flat panel. LCD monitors are larger in size. CRT monitors use a vacuum tube and electron gun. LCD monitors use phosphor coatings. CRT monitors consume less power. Correct answer option is C. CRT monitors use a vacuum tube and electron gun. Because CRT monitors use a vacuum tube and electron gun to create images by scanning phosphor-coated screens with an electron beam. LCD monitors use liquid crystals for image display. Question 6. Which printer type produces high-quality text and graphics using toner and a laser beam? Options are inkjet printer, laser printer, thermal printer, dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printer. Correct answer option is B, laser printer. Because laser printers use a laser beam and toner to produce high-quality prints. Inkjet, dot matrix, and other printer types does not use toner and a laser beam. Question 7. Which type of printer is commonly used for printing construction plans or blueprints? Options are inkjet printer, line printer, plotter, laser printer, thermal printer. Correct answer option is C, plotter. Because a plotter is specifically designed to print large-scale images like construction plans or blueprints using pens or other writing tools. Inkjet, laser, and other printers are typically not capable of printing large format designs required in construction. Question 8. What technology does an OLED display use to produce light? Options are electromagnetic radiation, liquid crystals, organic compounds, phosphor-coated screens, backlighting. Correct answer option is C, organic compounds. Because OLED displays use organic compounds that emit light when an electric current passes through them. OLED technology does not rely on electromagnetic radiation, liquid crystals, phosphor-coated screens, or backlighting like other display technologies. Question 9. Which of the following is a feature of an impact printer? Options are it can print in high resolution. It uses heat to print images. It strikes the paper to create an image. It uses laser technology for printing. It is silent during printing. Correct answer option is C. It strikes the paper to create an image. Because impact printers create images or text by physically striking the paper, typically with a print head or pin. Impact printers do not print in high resolution, use heat, laser technology, or operate silently like other types of printers. Question 10. Which type of printer is capable of printing large format images and is used in architectural or engineering applications. Options are drum printer, plotter, laser printer, inkjet printer, line printer. Correct answer option is B, plotter, because plotters are designed to print large detailed images commonly used in fields like architecture and engineering. Drum printers, laser printers, and line printers are not suitable for large format prints, and inkjet printers are generally used for smaller designs. Question 11. What is the main advantage of using an LED monitor over an LCD monitor? Options are LED monitors are generally less expensive than LCD monitors. LED monitors provide deeper blacks and better contrast. LED monitors consume more power. LED monitors have lower resolution. LED monitors are bulkier in size. Correct answer option is B. LED monitors provide deeper blacks and better contrast. Because LED monitors provide better contrast and color accuracy, particularly with deeper blacks, due to the use of light emitting diodes for backlighting. LED monitors are not necessarily less expensive, do not consume more power, have higher resolutions, or are bulkier than LCD monitors. Question 12. What is the function of a refresh rate in a monitor? Options are it refers to the number of pixels on the screen. It refers to how often the image is redrawn on the screen. It refers to the color depth of the display. It determines the brightness of the display. It determines the size of the screen. Correct answer option is B. It refers to how often the image is redrawn on the screen. Because the refresh rate is the number of times per second that the image on a screen is redrawn, which affects how smooth motion appears. The refresh rate does not determine the number of pixels, color depth, brightness, or screen size. Question 13. Which of the following printers is most commonly used for high-speed, large volume printing tasks like in a corporate setting? Options are dot matrix printer, laser printer, thermal printer, inkjet printer, electrostatic printer. Correct answer option is B, laser printer. Because laser printers are fast and efficient, making them ideal for high-speed, large volume printing in business environments. Dot matrix printers are slower and noisy. Thermal printers are used for specific tasks like receipts. Inkjet printers are slower for large volume tasks, and electrostatic printers are less common. Question 14. In which of the following situations is an electromagnetic printer most commonly used? Options are home desktop printing, high-speed industrial printing, printing on fabrics, printing construction plans, printing small quantities of color images. Correct answer option is B, high-speed industrial printing. Because electromagnetic printers, including those used in industrial applications, are designed for high-speed, high-volume printing. Electromagnetic printers are not typically used in home desktop printing, fabric printing, construction plan printing, or small quantity color printing. Question 15. What is the main advantage of an inkjet printer over a dot matrix printer? Options are inkjet printers are faster, inkjet printers can print in color, dot matrix printers are more expensive. Inkjet printers make less noise, dot matrix printers require more ink. Correct answer option is B. Inkjet printers can print in color. Because inkjet printers can produce high quality color prints, while dot matrix printers are limited to monochrome printing and are often lower in quality. Inkjet printers are not necessarily faster and dot matrix printers are generally cheaper but less versatile. Dot matrix printers are also known for being noisy. Question 16. Which printer type is known for producing continuous lines of text rather than single characters? Options are inkjet printer, line printer, laser printer, dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printer. Correct answer option is B, line printer, because line printers are designed to print entire lines of text at once rather than character by character like other printers. Inkjet, laser, dot matrix, and daisy wheel printers print character by character rather than printing entire lines at once. Question 17. What does the term DPI refer to in printing? Options are digital pixel index, dot per inch, digital print index, dynamic print interval, data processing integration. Correct answer option is B, dot per inch, because DPI stands for dots per inch and measures the resolution of a printer, indicating how many dots it can print in 1 inch of space. Question 18. What is the primary advantage of using an OLED screen compared to an LCD screen? Options are OLED screens require a backlight, OLED screens consume more power, OLED screens offer better contrast and black levels, OLED screens have a larger screen size, OLED screens are more affordable. Correct answer option is C. OLED screens offer better contrast and black levels. Because OLED screens do not require backlighting, which allows them to produce true blacks and higher contrast ratios compared to LCD screens. OLED screens do not require a backlight, consume less power, and are typically more expensive than LCD screens. Question 19. Which of the following is true about a drum plotter? Options are it is used for printing small documents. It uses a flat surface to print. It uses a rotating drum to produce drawings. It is slower than a flatbed plotter. It uses laser technology to produce drawings. Correct answer option is C. It uses a rotating drum to produce drawings. Because drum plotters use a rotating drum to hold the paper, while the drawing instrument, for example pen, moves along the paper to create large drawings. Drum plotters are not slower than flatbed plotters, do not print on flat surfaces, and do not use laser technology. Question 20. In an LCD monitor, what is used as the primary light source to illuminate the screen? Options are electromagnetic radiation, fluorescent backlight, LED backlight, organic compounds, laser beam. Correct answer option is C, LED backlight. Because many LCD monitors use LEDs as the backlight to illuminate the screen. LED backlight is used in modern LED, LCD monitors, and other options like organic compounds and laser beams are used in different types of displays.